Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got more freebies for you. Now if you like the first video today, you're really going to like these. Now these are going to be located right next to the free ones that I reviewed earlier. They're free for the taking also. Now I don't know how long these are going to be free, so make sure you go download right after the video. Now the name of this watch face is called New Military II Reimagined. Very nice looking watch face. I like the setup. I like the dials in this one. Now in the always on mode, you're going to get pretty much the same look. The hands are going to be green, but it's still going to look nice in AOD mode. Once the watch face is on, you greet it with a few dials. You're going to get your heart rate information in one. You're going to get your step information in the next, and down at the bottom, you will get your heart rate, your battery info, and with a single tap you can go into each and every last one of them. Not a bad look at all for an analog watch face, and I'm loving it. I like the way that the numbers are set up within the watch face. Gives it a unique look, and I like the way it lights up going around the bezel of the watch. Adds a little character to the watch face as well. Now if you want to set shortcuts, you can, people. That's all you got to do is tap in that area right there, tap over here where the 4 is. You can set for that one as well. He gives you 3 in all, and you can tap right up at the top. I set it already. I put gallery in. You can put whatever application you choose whenever you get ready. This one is nice, right? And you can customize the colors. So if I double tap in the right place, double tap, you can change the color. You get 9 accent colors and all. Just cycle through all of them till you get to the one that you like. Got to tap precise, as you can see, because you continue to hit the wrong one. Maybe my fingers are too big or too fat. Who knows? But this is nice. I like what the developer did with this watch face. I like what he brought to the table. This one, I gotta give 2 thumbs up. I thought he did an awesome job with this one. Hit me in the comment section below and let me know your thoughts on this watch face. With that, let's check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2. Now I got to tell you, this developer is getting down. He goes by the name of Bergen, just in case you decide you want to go check out his lineup. This guy is doing an awesome job. I really like the look of this phone watch face. It's an analog watch face. The name of it is called New Rotore 2 Sportive Style, and it has a sport look to it, which isn't bad at all. And in the always on mode, you pretty much, again, you're going to get the same look, which also isn't bad. But when the watch face is on, I really like the way the hands lights up as well, right? Looks really nice. Ties into the 12 and the 6 beautifully. And I like the choice of colors as well. Now you do get, of course, a couple of dials. We're going to tap onto one. You're going to be able to get your step information. And over here, you're going to be able to get your battery info. Not a bad deal at all. But if you tap on the 12, come on 12. Oh, got to tap on it hard enough. I can change the background, double tap. So you can change the background of the numbers. And I thought that was very different, very unique, and very nice. What do you think? That's not bad at all, people. I'm loving it. All right, you all, hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this one as well. Okay, you all, last but not least, watch face number 3. Now, this one is called New MQ17 Highlighted Face. Now, if I'm not mistaken, I did a review on this one before. This one is super boss. You got to check this one out. Now, the always on mode is pretty much going to get dimmed down. You're going to get pretty much the same look as if it was on, but let's take a look at the watch face when it's on for what it offers. Now, if you look at the top, you will get your step info, your heart rate, get your battery info. You come down, you're going to get your step status info, miles walked or ran. You come down, you are going to get the day of the week, which I love the way that's set out. You get Sunday, you get the month, you also get the year down at the bottom as well. And you got a nice second hand that's ticking around the bezel of the watch, which looks really nice. Now, I like that it's interactive, so you can tap on either one of these and it'll take you right into that application, which isn't bad for those of you all who are into exercising and or want to know how much battery life you got left. Now, what you also get is shortcuts that's going around the bezel of the watch. You get your music, you get your email, you get your weather, you get your messages. This is beautiful. I thought the guy did a great job with this one, and it offers quite a bit, people. I'm liking this one. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. Go download it while it's still free, people. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button and pass it on. If you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I will see you all again at the next video. Take care.